How can you judge the position of your right wheel while sitting inside the car? Especially on narrow roads, if you misjudge it, the right wheel could easily fall into a ditch. Today, here's a simple method anyone can use. First, you need to know which point on your dashboard matches the position of the right wheel. Find a straight line on the road and position both the front and rear right wheels directly on that line. Then sit inside the car and check which point on the dashboard lines up with the line outside. Mark that spot, it becomes your reference point for the right wheel position. Some people may say that seat height or slight head movement can affect the accuracy. To make it more practical, move the reference point about 3 centimeters to the right. This way, even if your seating position changes slightly, the reference will still work safely. You can test it yourself. When the reference point aligns with the road line, the right wheel is actually still a little away from the line. So when driving along narrow roads, as long as this reference point stays inside the road edge, your right wheel will remain safe and won't fall into the ditch. Now, what about reversing on a narrow road? Many beginners panic while reversing because they don't know which way to turn the steering wheel. Remember this simple rule. Turn the steering wheel left and the rear of the car moves left. Turn it right and the rear moves right. But the front of the car works differently. If the front right corner is about to hit an obstacle, turn the steering wheel toward the obstacle so the front of the car moves away to the left. Likewise, if the front left corner is close to an obstacle, turn the wheel toward that obstacle so the front moves away to the right. So when reversing on a narrow road, if the rear of the car drifts too far to the right, simply turn the steering wheel left and the rear will move left. Once the car becomes parallel with the road again, straighten the wheel and continue reversing slowly.